It's the year 2265, and you are the manager of a hotel with an infinite number of rooms in the planet Grant. The name of the hotel? It is the Hilbert Hotel. You are confident that you can accommodate anyone that shows up, but there is a limit, a way to exceed infinity. Let's put a ground rule. Only one guest per room. Now, imagine a scenario where all your rooms are full. There are an infinite number of people in an infinite number of rooms. A new guest show up. What do you do? Well, a manager with zero customer service will turn him away. But you think, wait, I have an infinite number of rooms. So you make an announcement that every guest should move to the room right next to them. So the guest in room 1 goes to room 2, the one in room 2 goes to room 3, and so on. If a bus with 1,000 people show up, then you know what to do. You tell the guest to put on those running shoes and move 1,000 rooms to the right. But now, let's imagine that an infinite large bus with an infinite amount of people comes. It was easy when the number was finite, and now, what do you do? And then it hits you. You make an announcement, and you ask the guest to move to the room that is double the room number. So, room 1 moves to room 2, room 2 moves to room 4, 3 to 6, and so on. You now have all of the odd numbers available, and since you have an infinite amount of rooms, you have an infinite amount of odd numbers. It will seem that nothing can fill your mighty hotel, like me after a hangover. And then, an infinite number of infinitely large buses come. You think, okay, now I have to put some effort.
So you put your mighty Excel and create an infinite spreadsheet
that could land you any admin job. In this spreadsheet, you create one row for the buses and another for people already in the hotel. You have hotel room 1, hotel room 2, and so on. And for the buses, you use the seat people were using as identifier. So you have bus 1 seat 1, bus 1 seat 2, and so on for every bus. How do you assign the rooms then? Start with the top left corner and draw a line zigzagging each person one. Then, imagine you pull this line to straighten it out, making one infinite row. After that, it's pretty simple. You just line up with the hotel rooms and boom, you got it. Everyone fits again. But then, a party bus falls up. It has no seats, so you will have to identify them by their actual names. But the names only consist of 2 letters, A and B, and they are infinitely long. So we have A, B, B, A, B, 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 A, A, B, B, A, 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 B, B, A, you get it. The representative called A, B, B, A, I will call it ABBA or Mamma Mia. Approach the front desk, but you tell them that you cannot fit everyone. What do you mean? Mamma Mia asks. You have infinite rooms. So you show him your mighty Excel. You have room 1 assigned to one person, room 2 for another, room 3 for another, and so on, and you get the point. Now, here is the issue you tell Mamma Mia. I can show you the person that is not getting a room. You take the first letter of the first person and flip it, the second letter for the second person and flip it, and you continue, and the name you get is guaranteed to be nowhere on that list, because it will always be different from any other name by at least one letter, the letter from the diagonal. So why is that? The number of rooms in your hotel is infinite, but it's a countable infinite, while the amount of people in the party bus is uncountably infinite. So infinites are not the same, and that is how you can run out of rooms at the Hilbert Hotel.